As soon as I hit the water, I set a bait off the side of my kayak and began paddling. The next thing I know, not one, but an entire school of voraciously frothing Dorados starts to make the water surface boil right in front of me.
I'd go right through it.
Paddle right through it!
My heart started racing. I was sure that my reel would start screaming any second. I paddled through them, over them, and alongside of them, but no matter what I did, I still couldn't manage to hook one. I figured no one would believe how close they were to me, and if I couldn't bring back a fish, at least I'd get them on film, so I dunked my submersible video camera under my kayak when they swam next to me. Oh my gosh, they are right under my kayak! All of a sudden, I hear a high-pitched whine and I feel the line race off the reel. Out of the thousands of fish that swam by me, one finally took the bait. I crank on the reel, the line tightens, and he takes off, towing me around with him. I'm so stoked to finally be on one, but I'm worried that he'll get away somehow. Next, I feel the line go slack. And then something incredible happens. He launches himself like a rocket, twisting madly in midair. I think I've lost him, but then the rod bends and he goes airborne again.